Okay, I'm back, and in this video we're going to make sure that the elevator servo is behaving properly. And the elevator servo is this one here, and I have got a sample push rod in it with a Z-bend and a clevis, same one I had over there. But so now we got to say, all right, if this servo arm goes, if I pull back on the stick to make the elevator go up, does the elevator go up? Okay. So you notice that the servo arm is going toward the tail of the airplane. So what does that mean? So if the tail of the airplane is going, if that push rod is going toward the tail of the airplane, remember the control horn is on the bottom of the elevator. So if that goes down, that pushes the elevator up because the control horn is on the bottom of the elevator. And so pulling back on the stick pushes that arm down, and the elevator goes up, and that makes the airplane go up. So that's going in the correct direction. And let's see. That arm is not quite centered. Not good enough for me anyways. It needs to be up a little bit. So that arm is down just slightly. So what I'm going to do is go into the, sorry about kicking the camera. So I'm going to go back into servo setup. I'm going to go back into sub trim. So now I'm at elevator. Going to select elevator, and I want it to go down some. So I want some down elevator. So I got down 1. I'm going to go down quite a bit, and now we'll look at the, I'm down 45 points, and there's the elevator. That's actually probably too much. So I'm going to come back up. Remember, see that? You can move it quite a bit. I'm going to move it back down to 0. That's 0. I want to move it up right about there. That's 30 points. Let me look at that. Okay, just eyeballing it. That's how I normally do things, is eyeball it. That looks like it's in a good spot. And you can see that the elevator subtrim now says down 30. Okay, so that's centered the back to the main screen on the radio. So that has centered the elevator, and it's moving in the correct direction, and that's what we wanted. So thank you, and we'll go on to the throttle servo next.